please ensure that you have read and understood all instructions on the screen before undertaking this job. Start by parking the vehicle on flat, level ground with the handbrake applied. Turn the vehicle off and ensure both front and rear wheels are suitably chocked and the vehicle is safely secured before proceeding. Today we're going to be installing the Superior Engineering Rear 300 Series bump stop extensions. Wheels do not need to be removed for this install, so it'll make it a lot easier for install. We can start by removing the factory bump stop brackets by removing 3 M8 factory bolts. Do not discard these bolts as they will be reused to install the Superior Engineering bump stop bracket. Now we can move to installing the Superior Engineering bump stop bracket and making sure the new extended bump stop is not installed to this bracket at this time. Superior Engineering bump stop bracket will reinstall to the 3 factory bolt holes that were used in removing the factory bracket. With reusing the factory bolts, this can be bolted into place using 262 Loctite and making sure all bolts are tensioned to the torque settings shown on screen now.
Using the socket extension, you can tighten the flange nut up inside the rubber bump stop that has been placed over the welded bolt in the extension bracket.
You can then repeat these steps on the opposite side of the vehicle. Once this is completed, your vehicle is ready to hit the road.